Right, so my tent is all pitched. Thank God, the rain has not stopped. It's been a bit of a nightmare because it's in a pitch tent first. I don't think too much water went in. Still got my rucksack there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw my rucksack in the tent and we'll just take you down to the river and let you have a look at that. Take a look at that, people. Absolutely gorgeous. What a place to be on a Friday evening. I'm trying to keep the camera as still as I can for you without shaking it around too much. What a gorgeous place. Got colours in trees as well. Also, my dinner tonight, Scottish steak, people. It's even got the Scottish flag on there. Scottish steak. We're going to cook it in this pan, so we'll get that going. It's not ideal, but you know it's raining outside. So, and that is the biggest that they had in the shop. That is small for me. But yeah, that's the biggest they had in the shop. So that's on it when I could really get. As soon as I get the pan really hot, we'll throw the steak on there. Keep it going for a few more seconds. A little bit more oil. That is going to be absolutely perfect heat. You ready? We do have some of these stir-fried veg and stuff like that, so we will put them up and put them in with the meat as well. So now, I'm just going to leave that steak to cook, and then I'll bring you back. Let's give this steak a quick flip over. Ooh, yes, look at that. That is really nice. Even in Scotland, I still cook steak, no matter where I am. Steak is like their number one go-to meal. Why not, I say. So this is the OEX Takana cook pot, but because I've had to bring a different stove, I've taken the cover off because last time we used the stove wrong, the bottom melted there, so I've taken it off to protect that. I really needed a gas canister where my stove could fit onto the top of it, but I didn't have any of that gas left, so obviously I had to use that one. So this stove does work. It's not the best ideas, but once it boils the water, I'm going to be very happy with that. I think I'm going to put a third coffee in there. And give it a really good mix. So this is Scott set up his self-designed hammock with the under blanket and the top quilt. No doubt he'll be showing you all this on his channel, so I will put a link to Scott's channel. Quite a lot of you guys will probably be subscribed to him already. But I'll tell you what, I don't like the big dopey logo like that. That's worse than that nightcap one. But yeah, as usual, Scott's in his hammock. Quick stop at this tent. There's a really good looking person who sleeps in here. Oh, that's me. Yeah, that's my tent. I need to have a bit of a clean up. So ladies and gentlemen, Dave is my best friend today because he is using the OEX brand. He's got the OEX Expedition tarp and the OEX, is it the Coyote free tent, isn't it?
Yeah, Coyote free.
I should know that. I don't know why I even thought about asking. Yeah, cooking yourself some nice dinner there. It's a brilliant tent. Is it still really hard to put the poles in place?
Yeah.
They need to sort that, don't they?
Yeah,
And it's brand new, the tent.
Yeah, brand new.
Yeah, so they're still not sorted it, have they? Well, it was a fight to put them in.
Yeah.
Yeah, they need to sort.
Specimen.
Yeah, they need to sort that. Really do. We only need a couple of mil off, and it'll be all right.
Agreed.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place to be, people. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a hell of a warm fire. I've zoomed in a little bit on it. I don't want to get too close, but wow. It's still raining, but that fire is everything. Time to get some breakfast on the go. Let's get them on the pan. See what these taste like. Might be slightly burnt, but it'll be alright. That's the flavour, doesn't it? Agus Whopper Burger. That's look fantastic, people. Get in there. Ooh. That nearly went in.